WhatsApp Google Drive backup storage shift. What Android users need to know, Pakta.net. WhatsApp has announced significant changes to its backup terms impacting data storage on Google Drive for Android users. WhatsApp backups will no longer be exempt from consuming Google Drive storage space. Without a confirmed date, beta version users are already experiencing these changes, meaning backups will count towards Google Drive storage quota. WhatsApp's parent company, Meta, has confirmed this change will roll out to all Android users in early 2024, with a 30-day advance notification. Users have alternative options to manage storage, such as using WhatsApp's chat transfer tool or opting for space-efficient, text-only backups. This policy mirrors the conditions for iPhone users, reminding all users to be mindful of their cloud storage usage, considering the reducing sizes of free plans. Android users should plan accordingly to adapt to the new WhatsApp Google Drive storage landscape by transferring chats, reducing media files, or switching to text-only backups.